Lithium-ion batteries are crucial for achieving the European Union's Green Deal goals, particularly concerning climate targets and fostering a green energy transition. This importance is underlined by the battery's ability to support renewable energy sources and electric vehicles, which are key components of a decarbonized economy. Lithium-ion batteries possess high energy density, cycling stability, and flexibility in formulation, making them the dominant technology of the battery market. To meet the ambitious climate and energy targets set by the European Union, significant innovations are necessary, particularly concerning materials, safety and sustainability, ensuring that next-generation battery systems are not only energy efficient but also eco-friendly is a central tenet of the European Union goals. Next generation of batteries requires the development of new battery materials capable to withstanding repeated cycling without significant degradation. However, innovation in materials, either at the electrode or electrolyte sides, challenges the scale-up of new industrial processes and require careful balance between performance, costs, and sustainability. In fact, meeting the European Union Green Deal targets necessitates improving the environmental sustainability of battery production and waste management. The transition to environmentally benign materials, also reducing the dependence upon critical raw commodities, must enhance the device safety and performance while reducing the environmental impact and improving the resilience of the European battery value chain. This MOOC is promoted by MOST, the National Center for Sustainable Mobility, a project involving 24 universities, the National Research Council, and 24 major companies. It aims to make the mobility system overall more green and more digital in its management through lightweight solution and electric and the hydrogen propulsion system, digital system for accident reduction, more effective solution for public transport and logistics, and new model for mobility that is accessible and inclusive. In the next videos, the current lithium-ion battery technology will be analyzed and described by considering the fundamental electrochemistry that drive the energy storage and release and technological relevant issues such as safety and recycling. The goal of these videos is to provide an overview of the present lithium-ion battery technology and the next innovation expected from the research and development laboratories around the world.